Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to show you a very quick tutorial on how to make monster cookies. You want to start with 12 eggs, then you want to go ahead and melt 2 cups of butter in the microwave. While that's melting, add 4 2/3 cup of brown sugar and 4 cups of white sugar. Then you're going to want a tablespoon of vanilla and a tablespoon of maple syrup. After that, you're going to need 8 teaspoons of baking soda, and then go ahead and give that a nice mix with an electric mixer while you wait for your butter to melt. Once your butter is ready, add it in and mix again. Add 4 1/2 cups of creamy peanut butter to this mix. Go ahead and give it a nice mix again with your electric mixer. Then you're going to need 18 cups, yes, 18 cups of oatmeal. And mix that with your mixer a little bit, but don't work it too hard. If it starts to get really gummy, go ahead and just mix it by hand. After that, you're going to want 2 1/2 cups of M&Ms and 2 1/2 cups of chocolate chips. Again, mix this by hand until all of the ingredients are evenly distributed throughout the cookie dough. After that, go ahead and line 2 cookie sheets. I have these silicone mats, or you can use parchment paper. Using an ice cream scoop or like a cookie scoop, go ahead and divvy out some cookies onto your tray and then smash the dough balls slightly with your hand. Then you're going to put those in a 350-degree oven for 10 minutes. While those bake, go ahead and line 2 more cookie sheets and start the process all over again, remembering to smash the cookies as you divvy them out. When the timer goes off, switch your cookie trays and bake for 10 more minutes. Let these cookies cool for just a little bit and then divvy them out onto some cooling racks using a spatula. Then you're going to go ahead and just keep repeating the process. After all your cookies are done, you're going to line a container with parchment or wax paper and put single layers of cookies in between the pieces of parchment or wax paper. This just makes it so that the cookies don't stick to one another in your container, and it just helps keep them nice and pretty for a little bit longer. So keep layering your paper, your cookies, your paper, your cookies until you have all of them divvied out. This recipe for me with this size scoop made 82 cookies, but depending on the size you make them, it will make up to and over 100. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.